Hi, good morning everyone. Very good morning, guys. Shruti, Vivek, Nikita, Shiva, Ashwani. Good morning, all of you. How are you all? Everyone, how are you? So, all of you had your tea, coffee, hot water, juice, breakfast, everything? Or nothing you had? Good, very good, right? Breakfast over? Tea, coffee, hot water, juice, everything over or nothing over? All of you? Nothing is over? Not yet? Okay, very good, right? Just directly woke up. Very good, right? Yeah, Sachin from YouTube, good morning. Right. So here we'll be continuing our discussion on this GATE and ESE PYQs. So today which topic we'll be discussing, everyone? So today which topic we'll be discussing, if you just observe all of you? So we'll be going with what? That aerial photogrammetry, right? So that tachyometry and these horizontal curves gets completed now. So next topic we'll be entering into is that aerial photogrammetry, all of you, right? So are you all ready? Everyone is ready? Is everyone ready? Everyone get ready? Right. So this aerial photogrammetry part 1, right? Today and tomorrow this aerial photogrammetry gets over mostly, right? And after tomorrow we'll be entering into the next one, right? That is leveling. Okay. After this leveling only, na? Yes or no? Leveling will be going for, right? Right. All of you, welcome to Unacademy. Let's crack it, right? So everybody is ready to crack, all of you? Everybody get ready to crack, right? Here. This is my profile, right? How many of you are not following my profile? All of you are following my profile or not? If you are following my profile, okay. If you are not following my profile, follow. And still, if you are following, you just share my profile with all your friends, right? So that they can find all free classes which are useful, right? There are many people just by attending our free classes itself, they have got selected in state PSU examinations, okay? They have just attended free classes only, but they have got selected in the state PSC examination, right? So you have to be careful, all of you, right? So don't miss this opportunity. So these are all the subjects I'll be taking in Unacademy Plus platform, And now this wonderful offer is going on. How many of you are sharing with your friends about this offer? How many of you shared about this offer with your friends? Did you share? How many of you shared about this offer to your friends? Juniors, everybody? If not shared, you try to share about this offer, right? So this 10% price drop will be there, and 20% off on your subscription, plus 2 months and 3 months extra subscription months you'll be getting, right? So this offer is valid up to which one? This July 15th only, right? Anant Pranit, good morning. Up to July 15th only, right? So 9 months subscription if you are taking now, 2 months extra, 18 months subscription if you are taking, 3 months extra. So it is for this plus as well as for this iconic subscription, right? And that 10% price drop is present in which one? Iconic subscription, right? It is not there in the plus subscription, right? You have to be careful, right? So inform to your friends, juniors and everybody, those who are willing to start their preparation, right? So those who are willing to start their preparation and they are not finding good opportunity, you just inform them, all of you, right? You just inform them about this offer, right? Right. So what is that referral code you have to recommend? RP Civil or Champion. Okay. So these are the benefits you are having, right? Difference between this plus and iconic subscriptions when you are taking in this offer period. Okay. So what is that referral code, right? RP Civil is the referral code you have to use now. You have to recommend. Now these are all the benefits you'll be having, right? These are all the features of that subscription, you can say. Now coming to this, so we will be starting which one you can say, right? We will be starting this next batch. So from July 13th that next batch will be started just after 2 days only, and I will be starting strength of materials in that batch, you can say, right? So what is the referral code you have to use? RP Civil. How many of you enrolled for this batch? All of you? If not enrolled, you try to enroll. Today I'll be sharing the link in the groups. Already have shared, but today also I'll share it, right? So now those who are taking this iconic subscription, along with the plus benefits, right, you will be getting which one? You will be getting these additional, what you can say, you will be getting these books also, right? Books in the printed format you will be getting, you can say. Okay, now so these are all which one? This if you are unable to pay this entire fee at a time, Unacademy is giving an opportunity to pay this in EMIs, and that to 0% interest on these EMIs, right? Okay, Ashwani, good morning. Ashwani, good morning. Right, so these offline batches are started on which one? Latest offline batch was started on this June 19th, so don't miss this opportunity, everyone. No, at present this plus course on this surveying is going on. So that course on this strength of materials will be starting on which one? 13th July. So same 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. So the classes will be from again Monday to Saturday only, right? Sunday classes will not be there, right? So this is your upcoming course now. This is your upcoming course, you can say, right? So now we are doing this free classes series in special and YouTube. What is that? GATE and ESE PYQs of the surveying we are doing. Okay, until the completion of all topics PYQs will be doing it. Okay, now coming to this. So this chapter 6, right? Aerial photogrammetry part 1, right? Aerial photogrammetry, right? So shall we start, all of you? So shall we start the poll? Before we enter into these polls, you can just enroll for this, right? If you are not enrolling, if you did not enroll, you can just enroll for this new batch already, all of you, right? Wherever strength of materials is going to start, right? These will be English, right? Means Hindi plus English combination of subjects will be there in this. Okay. Now, so shall I start the poll? All of you are ready? Everyone is ready or not? Everyone get ready. Vivek, Anant, Nikita answered correctly. 100% correct answer. Sachin Jaiswal, good morning from YouTube. Right, very good, 100% correct answer. What is it you can say? Optimum flight planning for a photogrammetric survey should be carried out considering only side lap, only end lap, either side or end lap. Next one is what? Both the side lap as well as this end lap, right? Which one is better to consider? Tell me. Both are better to consider, or only one side overlapping is better to consider, everyone, right? Both sides is better to consider, na? Yes or no? Both sides is better to consider or not? Obviously yes, both sides is better to consider, right? So why? So whenever you are getting this, so here end lap we are considering, so to consider the common portions and get the correct photograph, correct details, na? So end lap when you are considering, right? In the side direction also we should get the common things, na? Then only it is possible to get the exact photographs, and so without missing any detail we'll be getting or not? Exactly, without missing any details, and exactly we'll be getting, you can say, if you just observe, right? Isn't it? It's done. So only length lap is only lap along the length is required, or only lap along the side is required, or both are required? Both laps are required, absolutely, na? Yes, no, both laps are required, absolutely, you can say, right? Yes, na? Gaurav, good morning. So shall I move to the next question? Second question. Shall I? So we'll be moving on to this second question, right? I'll be writing the options, right? It is actually a numerical answer type question. I'll be writing the options and I'll be going for the poll. Okay, this is how many meters? So I'll be giving which one? 150 seconds or 180 seconds time I'm giving. Try to solve this, all of you. 180 seconds time I'm giving. YouTube, nobody is answering from YouTube. Okay. 110 seconds more time. Eighty seconds more time. Right, if you want more time, you just ask me to increase the time, all of you. If anybody wants more time further, yeah, Ashwin, I'll go back, don't worry. Once this is over, I'll go back. "55 seconds more time, but only 50% answered correctly." Shiva answered. What about the others? So those who want extra time, you just ask me to increase the time before the timer gets over. Don't ask me in the last 1 second, 2 second, right? If you ask, by the time you are asking, you are typing, I'm trying to move my cursor there, that 2 seconds gets over, okay? You ask me at least 10 seconds before, okay? Shiva, Shruti answered correctly. These two only answered. 67% only answered, or whatever the remaining. From YouTube, I think nobody answered from YouTube. Only these two answered. Right? Okay. So it is very chota bacha question, you can say, if you just observe it. What is it? You can say a tall tower was photographed from an elevation of this is 700 meters above the datum, right? So above the datum means that is capital H, or this capital H minus this is small h, right? So that is flying height is capital H only, na? Yes or no? Flying height is capital H, above the datum means capital H, na? Above the ground means capital H minus this is small h, right? Do you remember that? So that is 700 meters, right? The radial distance of this top and bottom of these towers from the principal points are 112.5 millimeter and 82 point, which one is 4 millimeter, right? So what is that R given? If you just observe, what is that R? You can say, or R minus this R dash, right? What is it? You can say that is your 112.5 minus which one? This 82.4, right? What is that you are having? What is that you are having? If you just observe, this is R, okay? R minus, okay. Or if you wanted to write R and R minus that separately, what is that you can write? R equal to up to the top, na? To the first one is top, na? R is to the top only, na? So no, 112.5 meter, right? This is to the top only, na? This is to the top, right? So we are interested in this top one or bottom one, right? Top one only, no? R dash is which one? This 82.4, right? Millimeter, right? So this is millimeter. This is a bottom, na? So the bottom of this tower is at an elevation of this 250 meters above the datum, right? So what is that symbol? That is a small h is equal to the 250 meter, na? Small h is a symbol we have given in our plus class, or not, if you remember all of you. Then the height expressed in meters of this tower is, right? What is that you have to go for? Height of this tower you are asked to identify, right? How can you get this height of this tower if you just observe? How can you get this height of this tower? If you just observe that relief displacement is equal to that RH2 divided by which one? What is that? RH2 divided by which one? That capital H minus this H1, na? Yes or no? capital H minus this H, right? So this you can make it as which one? This is or H dash, right? Is not, you can make it like this. So capital H minus this H dash, right? Or you can write it as H2, right? Which symbol we have given? You can say H2 is the symbol we have given, right? Let us say, right? This is H1 is the symbol, you can make it, right? So if you just observe it, this is your datum, MSL mean sea level, and what is that? This is your ground, na? This is your ground, and this is your tower, let us say. Okay, so I'm writing what is that H1, so to avoid confusion. So let us say this is your H1, is na? And what is this one? This is your H2, got it? Is na? So where your aeroplane is moving like this, camera is also at that place, right? And this is your which one? This is a capital H, is na? Capital H, right? So capital H minus this H1. So what is that relief displacement? We know. So we have that relief displacement is equal to that R minus this R dash, na? Or you can also write it as this R H dash divided by this capital H minus this small h, right? Anything you can write, right? So what is it, you can say 112.5, R is 112.5 minus this R dash is 82.4. So 82.4, right? What it comes to be 30.1 millimeter is the relief displacement. Now, so this is 30.1 millimeter is equal to R, what is that? 112.5 into that H dash or H2. This is H2 or this H dash. This is H1 or this H, as you wish. Divided by this capital H is 700 minus this small h is what? 250. So then tell me what is the height of this tower? Shubham, good morning. Height of this tower H dash is equal to how much you are getting? 120.4 na? 120.4 meters you are getting or not? 120.4 meters, right? So which option is correct? Option B is the correct option or not, all of you? Option B is the correct option, right? Everybody got the same answer, everyone? Everybody got the same answer, right? Yeah, Ashwini, previous one, this question. Okay, just note it, right? So this is your which one? End lap, na? This is your end lap, you can say. And what is this in between these two? This is your side lap, na? This is your side lap, right? Because this is moving like this and this is moving back like this, right? Photograph. So this is your direction of this aeroplane movement, na? Direction of this aeroplane movement is this one, na? So, no. Like that. Okay. Once it is done, tell me. Done. So the second question, noting. Right, next slide. Okay, this slide. Okay, okay, okay. Noted. Once noted, tell me. I'll wait. Once done, tell me, all of you. From YouTube, nobody else is answering. It is showing 4 people live. Out of this 4, 1 is mine only. Other 3 people, nobody is answering. Okay. Done? Right. So shall we move to the next question? So this is your third slide, fourth slide. Shall we? Right. So you observe A, B, C, D clearly. Where A is present, where B is present, you observe carefully, all of you. Okay. YouTube live, nobody is answering. Shiva, Vivek answered correctly. What about the others? %100% correct answer. What about the others? Nikita also answered correctly. What about the others? $70 more time. $50 more time. 80% only answered correctly. What about the others? Nikita, Shruti also answered correctly. From YouTube, nobody is answering from YouTube. Anant also answered correctly. अरे ये छोटा बच्चा क्वेश्चन है ना, it is very difficult question or it is very simple question, you can say it is just a very simple question only ना, ऐसा ना. 83.33% only correctly answered, remaining wrong. Excuse me. Right, the camera with a focal length of this 20 centimeter, right? What is it given? If you just observe, the values given are which one? Focal length f equal to the 20 centimeters. In an aircraft is used for taking vertical aerial photographs of this terrain. Vertical photographs we are taking. The average elevation of this terrain is 1200 meters, right? What is it? You can say, what is that HA? You can say above the mean sea level. HA na, HAVG will be equal to which one? This is 1200. What is the height above the mean sea level, right? So height above the mean sea level at which the aircraft must fly, right? So means what is the meaning of this? Height at which aircraft is flying above the mean sea level means, can we say it is your flying height above the datum? Can you say it is a flying height or camera axis height, lens height above the datum? Is not. In order to get an aerial photograph at a scale of this 1:8000, right? What is that scale mentioned? 1 by s equal to that 1:8000. So what is that formula we are having? If you just observe, 1 by s equal to that f by capital H minus this small h na, that small h average. So this is also 1 by s average, you have to get it, right? So what is that 1 by s given? If you just observe, 1 by 8000 scale we wanted to get. To get this scale, right, what is the focal length? You can say 20 centimeters. So 20 into, how can you convert that into meters? Into 10 power minus 2 na, divided by this capital H you are asked to find out, minus this, what is the H average? 1200 meters. So then tell me, right, what is the capital H, right? What is the flying height? We have to get it. So if aeroplane is traveling at which height or it is flying at which height, to get this scale of 1:8000, right? How much it is, everyone? Calculate and tell me. 2800 meters, right? So which one is the correct answer now? So 2800, this option B will be the correct answer now. Yes or no? This option B will be the correct answer, or not all of you, right? So shall I move to the next question, fourth question, all of you? Is it clear, everyone? Are you noting? Should I wait for noting or I'll go for? Okay, note it and tell. Done? This is done. Right, now I'll be going for this next question. Right? This is a 2018 question. So it is altitude of this flight, right? That is also same type of question it is asked, na? Yes or no? I'll be writing the options. Okay, solve this and select the correct answer of you. Vivek, Shiva, Nikita answered correctly. What about the remaining? Anant also answered correctly. If YouTube is also displayed there, it would be good actually. So I have to, for YouTube, I have to search it, see in the mobile. For special class, I have to see in the laptop. Yeah, dog is barking. Same dog only. 90 seconds more time. Shruti also answered correctly. %83 only answered correctly. What about the remaining? Should we start? Okay. Out of these 10 people, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only answered, and 1 wrong, 6 answered, it seems. Okay, last 10 seconds. Right, the time gets over. So what is that? An aerial photograph of a terrain having an average elevation of this 1400 meters. So what is the average elevation of this terrain? You can say that is your H average equal to 1400 meters na, right? Bhavesh, good morning. Is taken at a scale of 1:7500, right? So what is it? 1 by S given, that is your 1 by 7500 na. The focal length of this camera is 15 centimeter, right? That F equal to that 15 centimeters. The altitude of this flight above the mean sea level in meters up to 1 decimal place is, right? You are asked to identify which one. This is a capital H na. So you are asked to identify this capital H, right? What is that you have to use? Same formula na, 1 by S equal to that F by this capital H minus this small h, right? What is the scale? 1 by S given, 1 by 7500 equal to focal length is 15 centimeter. So you convert that into meters into 10 power minus 2 divided by this capital H. You have to find out what is the H average they have given, right? 1400 they have given, right? So therefore, what is the flying height or height of this aeroplane above the mean sea level or this datum? How much it should be to maintain this scale of 1 in 7500? What is the capital H value? You have to get it. 2525 meters we are having, right? So which option is correct now? Right, this option A will be correct answer na. Option A will be the correct answer, right? Is not noted this? Right. Noted? Yeah. Shall I move on to the next question? This is your 7th slide, right? 8th slide. So 5th question will be going for 5th question. Oh, sorry. Select the answer. Okay, 180 seconds time I am doing. Same concept you have to apply for 2 times. Okay, got the point? Hint I have given already. You have to solve it definitely. If anybody wants more time, you just ask me to increase the time before the time gets over. Sixty seconds more time. Forty-five seconds more time. Shruti only answered correctly. Should increase the timer for others? Or no need? No, I don't have pet dog. It is our neighbor's dog. Okay. Just behind me there is one window. Backside of that they are having that dog. So what is it you can say? 2 towers, right? What is it you are having? 2 towers A and B stands vertically on the horizontal ground, appears on the vertical photograph as shown in the figure, right? So this is your tower A, it appears like this, tower B appears like this, right? Both are appearing like this now. So what is this you can say, right? This is your relief displacement of this tower B na. So can we say this is your relief displacement of this tower A? Can we say like that? It's not that length of this image. The length of this image is the relief displacement of this tower A for this, and this length of image will be your relief displacement of this tower B. Can we say like that? It's not area minus this R minus this R dash na. The length of this image of this tower A on the photograph is 1.5 centimeters. So what does it mean? Relief displacement for this A will be equal to that 1.5 millimeter, is not? And that of tower B is 2 centimeter. So this is centimeter, sorry, 1.5 centimeter. And this is dB, right? What is it, dB? You can say dB will be equal to that 2 centimeters if you just observe, right? Centimeters, right? The distance of this top of this tower A as shown in the arrow head is 4 centimeter, right? So what is it? You can say RA na. What is it, RA? That is your 4 centimeter. To the top of this tower B is 6 centimeter, right? What is it? You can say that is your RB is which one? This is 6 centimeters. You are having like that. Now, as measured from the principal point P of the photograph, this is your principal point P. The height of this tower B is 80 meters. Then the height of this tower A is, right? So height of this tower B is given, height of this tower B. So that HB will be equal to which one? This 80 meters. Then what is the height of this tower A? You are asked to identify, right? Got it? And the flying height capital H minus this small h, it is given or not given? Not given, na? Yes or no? H dash. H dash of A is asked, H dash of B is given, right? So what is that you can say here if you just observe from this? What is that you can get it? That dB will be equal to, right? What is that you can write, everyone? R H dash B divided by which one? This capital H minus this small h na, because H is the same for both A and B na. So that HA is equal to that HB is equal to that H, isn't it? Why? Why if you just observe? Because same ground only na, yes or no? Same ground na. No, same plane, right? Same ground, right? So what is the dB? dB you are having is 2 centimeters equal to RB. This is your RB now. What is it, RB? You can say 6 centimeters into that HB dash is given as your 80 divided by this capital H minus this small h, right? So from this, what is that you can get? Capital H minus this small h you will be getting now. From this, what is that you can get? Capital H minus this small h you will be getting, right? What is it, capital H minus this small h? Tell me, everyone. How much is it, capital H minus this small h? So this is 240 meters. That is your 240 meters, right? Now if you substitute in this, what is that you are having, right? dA will be equal to RA into that HA dash divided by this capital H minus this small h, right? What is the dA? Relief displacement for this A tower is what? 1.5 centimeters now. So 1.5 centimeters equal to that RA will be what? 4 centimeters. So this centimeter cancel, right? HA dash we are asked to find out, right? Divided by this capital H minus this small h is 240 now. Already we know it. That is 240, right? Then this implies, right, what is that height of tower A? Height of this tower A, that HA dash comes to be how many meters? Is it not that 90 meters you are getting, everyone? Is it not that 90 meters you are getting, everyone, all of you? Right? That is your 90 meters you are getting now. 90 meters, absolutely, right? Option D is the correct answer, right? Option D will be the correct answer. You can say it like that. Is that clear, everyone? So are you noting? Right? This one is also noted, right? Okay, 10th one, 11th slide, right? This is your 6th one, you can say 6th question. So I'll be starting the poll. 150 seconds only I'm giving the timer. Nikita Shiva answered correctly. Okay, no problem. Nikita Shiva only answered it. What about the others? The Shiva, Anant, Vivek, Satish answered correctly. What about the remaining? 83% only answered, right? 100% remaining cute fellows. From YouTube, nobody. Nobody is answering from YouTube. Arey yaar. Right. Okay. An aerial photography is taken from a flying height of 3.5 kilometers above the mean sea level, right? What is that flying height? You can see if you just observe. The capital H is equal to that 3500 meters. Na? Using a camera of this focal length 152 millimeters, right? What is the focal length F equal to? That is 152 millimeters. If the average ground elevation is 460 meters, right? What is that H you can say? That is your 460 meters in sea level. Then the scale of this photograph is, right? Do you remember what is the scale of this photograph? 1 by S equal to that F by this capital H minus this small h. Na? What is the F? Focal length is 152 millimeter. Na? So 152 into that 152 or 150? 152 into that 10 power minus 3. Capital H is what? 3500 minus what is the small h, you can say 460, right? So now tell me, right, what is that 1 by S comes to be, right? How much it will be? 1 by something it will come now. 1 by how much it will come? 1 by how much it will come? 20,000. Na? One by 20,000, right? Option A will be the correct answer. Na? So no, option A will be the correct answer. You can say it like that. Got it? So shall we move to the next question, everyone? Shall we move to the next question, all of you? Yes, we'll move on to the next question, right? Seventh question. This is ESC 2022 question, right? You have to be careful, right? Yeah, answer this. So Nikita, Satish, Vivek, Anand, Shiva answered correctly. You should not be answering this wrongly. Because using this formula only we have solved many questions till now, na? Yes or no? Right. Okay. 100% correct answer. No cute fellows this time. If the focal length of lens F, flying height is capital H, and height of the ground above the mean sea level is small h, then the scale F by capital H minus this small h, na? F by capital H minus this small h, right? Right. Okay. Select the answer. This is the last question. So today 45 minutes, tomorrow also 45 minutes we'll take the class. Okay. Tomorrow that aerial photogrammetry gets over. Okay. Next day onwards we'll be doing which one? Levering. Okay. Shani, Shiva, Nikita, Vivek answered correctly. You observe where this B, where this C, where this A, where this D are there. Okay. Observe carefully and answer. Right. Shiva first, Satish second, and Nikita third. Right. So now, good morning. Right. You attend this class and recorded. Which one of the following is an aerial photograph taken with the camera axis directed intentionally between the horizontal and this vertical axis? Right. Yes, yes. Tomorrow class is there, no? Yes. Tomorrow morning class is there. So intentionally between this horizontal and this vertical means it is camera axis is kept in this manner. Na? So it will give which one, tilted photograph or this oblique photograph. We have to call it as which one, this oblique photograph. Na? Tilted photograph means unintentional. Na? Do you remember that? Whenever this is done unintentionally, right? These definitions we have given if you remember. Unintentionally means that is you are tilted. Na? Do you remember that? So intentionally, if the camera axis is not vertical, then it is called as which one? This oblique photograph, right? So in our plus class, we have given these definitions. Anybody remembered or not? Everybody, right? So thank you. I'll be closing the session. Thank you guys. Have a good day, right? Thank you everyone. Thank you all of you. Okay.